Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Take a red colored thread, fold it like this and put the other thread in the between. Now fold it like this and pull it. Now stretch the threads as shown in the video. Now fold it from the upper side and put it in the between like this. Pull the threads carefully. Now put the other side of the threads in the between and then stretch it like this. Fold and stretch the threads like this and it's done. Next, take an orange colored thread and then roll the thread around the pencil like this on the top. Now after rolling it, we'll remove the pencil and put the thread in the between from the top and then pull it out from the downside. Fix it and look, it's done. I hope you liked it. Next, take a ring and then fold the thread around it like this and then pull the thread from the between to lock it. Now after fixing it, we'll be spreading the threads and then fold it from the other side. Now press the thread like this on the downside and then again press it and then put the thread and then stretch it. Now after stretching it, put the thread in the between of it and then tie the threads tightly. Pull it like this or stretch it and it's done. Next, take a green and white thread. Now fold the green one around the white one like this. Roll it and put the other green thread in the between and then we'll be stretching it like this and it's done. Next, take a green color thread, tie a circle-like shape or just fix it first and then fold it around the top side and then roll it along with the fingers. Now put the thread in the between and then stretch it like this. Now after stretching it, pull it tightly. Now after that, fold it from the other side. Now repeat the process. Now you have to just fold it along the fingers in the same manner. Now after that, put the threads in the between. Fix it after putting it and tie it or stretch it tightly to lock it. And you can further remove the extra part of the threads like this from the top and heat it like this to lock it and it will be good to go. Thanks for watching our video.